guys! Today, I'm going to cook chicken tinola. Here's the ingredients. We need chicken, papaya, pechay, oil, onion, and ginger, salt and patis, and pepper. Before we start, we need to wash our hands. Let's start to cook. First, we need to heat the pan. Now, we need to put a little bit of oil. And then put the ginger. And then put the onion. And then when the onion is soft already, put the chicken. And then put a little bit of salt. And then mix it up. And cover it. And let it simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're gonna open it and mix it. Put 1 liter of water. Want more, you can add more. And then put the patis. Put the patis. Put the pepper. Then let it boil for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're gonna check the chicken if it's cooked or ready. This is good. And then let's taste it. It's good. And then let's add the papaya. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, let's add the pechay. Let's add the pechay. And wait until the vegetables are cooked. I think it's cooked already. It's ready to serve. Let's try it, guys. It's delicious. Let's eat.